Alright guys, so next up for the stocks that we're breaking down this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. We're starting from a higher time frame. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, helps us find our support and resistance lines, our exits, our targets, and all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in, okay? So we closed yesterday almost at 1%, and this morning we closed pre-market, we're up over 1%, okay? The volume, let's look at the volume. We're at 174,000. So we're above that 150,000 threshold, you guys. So what that means is basically anything above that 150,000 won't put us in a slow moving stock, okay? Anything below 150,000 we kind of want to stay away from. But a lot of times they will, a lot of stocks will have low volume during pre-market, but that all depends on the stock that you're trading, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into where we're at currently. So this top line represents a major resistance line. This is basically areas that candlesticks have trouble breaking past. You can see that we had trouble breaking past over here and got rejected. We got rejected over here. We had trouble breaking past over here until we created a breakout. Once we created that breakout, what used to work as resistance will work as a floor on the opposite side, you guys. You can see we came up and started bouncing around off of this level. We broke underneath and it was working as resistance again, and ultimately failed and didn't create that breakout and pulled us all the way back down to our major lower level of support, that being at the 34.98 level, you guys. And you can see that we bounced from this level, and we keep looking forward. We bounced here, and we look left, we had resistance back underneath. So this is heavily tested area, you guys. You can see this is, now we're getting into where we're at currently, okay? So you can see that once we broke underneath this major resistance line that I was just speaking about, that we came up multiple times previously in the past couple days and had trouble breaking past this area, because these are heavily tested areas, you guys. We have to respect these lines, okay? So I made an update yesterday when we were testing this resistance that we needed to create a breakout to come up and come back down and retest the $34 level to create that higher low and that reversal that we want to see, to show that buyers are stepping up and that we are continuing this upward trend. So you can see on the trend line that we were below it and now we are above it, okay? So that's another good sign. On the R side, it doesn't look like we're too oversold. It's starting to look like we're creating this reversal. So that's also another good sign. So what we're looking for, you guys, is this to pull back just a little bit, a 50% retracement, which is completely healthy, and that'll be around the $34 area. If you can get in there, that could be a beautiful entry. Have your stop loss on the opposite side, maybe underneath these candlesticks, that being at the $33 area. So just in case, if we do break below the support line and we get tagged out at the $33 area, then we can wait for a better entry, you guys, and that'll just show that the relative strength isn't there. But however, we have to wait and see what happens, okay? So more than likely, we'll pull back down to this $34 area. Like I said, that could be a great entry. And then your first target could be back up to where we were before at the 37. And then ultimately your second target being at the highest previous point up here at the 41.14, okay? So let's be patient and wait for us to retest that support, you guys, and to show that buyers are stepping up and that we are here. And other than that, you guys, I wanted to make this really short and sweet. I break down these charts as fast as possible and simple as possible. And if I taught you guys anything, or if you learned anything from this video, please, please, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.